Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are a different trail. We're at the Seven Wetlands. It's between Lakeland and Bartow, Florida. This place is quite large when I'm seeing on the map. I don't know how much of it we will get to today, but we're gonna go out here. We're gonna go to one or two boardwalks that I saw on the map. Try to find us some gators if we can, and see what else is here. This should be interesting. Okay, so we've got a little waterway here. Looks like a good spot to look for some gators. Don't really see any on this side, but there's more water on this other side. So maybe there'll be something down in here. Maybe since the sun's out today, it did get pretty chilly last night, down to right around 50. Don't see anything yet. Let's push on. Let's take a look at the first boardwalk of the day. Looks pretty dry down around the bases. A little bit of water underneath on this side. Pretty quiet. I'm thinking this place was part of one of the mosaic plants down the road. Maybe at one time. Kind of resembles that. Looks like it's all marsh out there in front of us. So there's a little bit of water down below, but not much. Make sure there's nothing lurking down below. Okay, we'll press on, see what else we can find. Okay, I pulled you guys back out. There's a monster alligator right there. He's 12 feet easily. I'm gonna try to get some still shots, and I'll add them into the video if I can. But that thing is an absolute beast. Woo! Okay, couldn't get any pictures of him, but holy cow. That's one of the biggest gators I've seen in a long time. But wow. Yeah, that thing was 12 to 14 feet easily. We have made it to the second boardwalk. This looks really, really nice. We'll take a little walk out here. Little windy. Got a white pelican out there. So we're probably only mile and a half, something like that, out from the main parking lot. So it's not too bad. Just about anybody should be able to handle this place. and we'll look back. So we came back out to the main trail. This little section of water connects up to where that big gator was we saw earlier. Turtle right there. Cute little guy. So it looks like the water is draining out of there and dropping down in this ravine and out to that bigger lake where that second boardwalk was. So we're just going to press on for a little while. Hopefully come back to some more water edges. With the being chilly last night, the gators will really start coming out of the water onto the banks as the day goes. So hopefully we'll see another one. No promises, but we'll keep our fingers crossed. We've went a little further. We're just kind of poking around. This park has so many different trails that you can take. It's insane. I'm just kind of freelancing as I go. We've already made a couple splits in the trails. Say right there, we could have went that way. We came from that direction. Looks like we're coming up on another split up here. So it looks like we can go left or right. So I'm thinking we might pop right real quick just to see what's out there. And this must be the area where all the animals are coming. I mean, all the sand's full of different animal tracks. A lot of deer. I saw a couple bear prints back behind us a little ways, and probably wild boar and coyotes too, if I would guess, since those are so prominent in this region. But let's go up here, take a peek. Now that second boardwalk we were at earlier, if we came from the end of the boardwalk, we actually could have came right here, but that said trail closed. But you can actually take a trail that goes all the way around the back of the lake and over to here too. We just came down to the water's edge on this side, just kind of looking around. I know there's some larger gators. There's one that was just right there. He just submerged. I would say this is his little territory. We're kind of zoomed in a little ways and we're on the different camera, but there's a good sized gator right there. Oh, there he is. Just by looking at the head, he's probably about 5-6 foot roughly. Just step down to the water's edge for a couple minutes, kind of get out of the main heavy wind. Looking around, just knowing what's actually in here makes you think twice about getting any closer. We've made it to the eastern edge of the property boundary. That's looking due south on this power line strip. I believe the other side of the fence is a Mosaic property, if I'm guessing right, because I could see the mounds of material off in the distance when we were back there out in the open. So we're gonna go behind me, head first into the wind, and we'll see what we can find up ahead. Hey guys, before we end today's video, I just want to give a shout out to all of our new subscribers that have jumped on board with us here lately. Y'all have been commenting, giving thumbs up, and just being amazing. Y'all have been doing so good on the videos. We're actually ahead of my expectations for where I thought the channel would be right now. So y'all are just doing great. I just want to thank y'all. And I'm hoping we have some more new content coming up, maybe some new places. Just kind of depends on the weather and depends on how my legs are doing. Since it's no secret my legs aren't in the best of shape. But we're gonna try to keep doing what we're doing. Y'all seem to be liking it. And as the wind picks up again, thank y'all for stopping by, and I'll see y'all next week.